Did you know a Roman emperor murdered his own brother in their mother's arms just to avoid sharing power? In 201 AD, Emperor Caracalla invited his brother Geta to peace talks in their mother's private chambers. It was all a trap. As Geta entered, Praetorian guards burst through the doors with daggers drawn. They stabbed him repeatedly while he desperately clung to their mother, Julia Domna. Caracalla watched coldly as Geta bled to death in her embrace. But the horror was just beginning. Within days, Caracalla ordered the execution of 20,000 of Geta's supporters across the entire empire. He had Geta's name chiseled off every monument and his face scraped from every painting. Entire families were wiped out simply for knowing his brother. It was as if Geta had never existed. 6 years later, karma struck back. Caracalla was assassinated by his own Praetorian prefect while relieving himself on a roadside during a military campaign. Sometimes betrayal comes full circle.